Good afternoon and welcome to NYFP. Today on the New York Stock Exchange trading floor, I am joined by the CEO, Leonard, of True Drink Holdings. Good afternoon. Thanks so much for joining me.
Oh, it's a pleasure.
Well, you have this product here, the AquaBall, and you say that it's water, but only better. Can you tell me a little bit about this product?
Sure. We've created an all-naturally flavored, vitamin-enhanced water for children that brings both the excitement and fun of our partnership with Disney and Marvel, along with healthy hydration for children. Today in the market, there's a lot of high-caloric, high-sugar beverages, but there's really nothing for families to be able to hydrate their kids that's naturally flavored and that contain all the good things that the parents are looking for.
And Lance, it is summertime, so I'm sure a lot of parents are looking for good, nutritious products for their kids. Right. Can you tell me a little bit about the backstory for this company and how young the company is?
Sure. Well, we're a fairly young company. We've only been in business just over a year, but we've been able to see some significant growth in our first year. At the end of this month, we'll be in over 20,000 retail outlets across grocery, drug, and mass stores. We really developed the company with the thought of creating a product that is going to meet the unmet needs of parents that want to find a solution for these high-caloric, high-sugar beverages and juices. And it's very difficult to get kids to go all the way to water, and so we really created something that was that substitute that allowed for the hydration but didn't have the calories. And really we're trying to find a solution for the pandemic of childhood obesity and diabetes. And so we think we're at the right time. We've brought a product together that creates all of the good for you attributes, and we're extremely fortunate because we have a licensing agreement with our friends at Disney and Marvel that allow the product to have a packaging that has a lot of fun and excitement behind it.
And Lance, American consumers are becoming ever more health conscious, and because of that, we are paying attention to the caloric intake of our foods as well as drinks. But your company is not just a startup. You bring your own expertise. You used to work at M&M Mars and Nestle Waters, and also your executive team has a lot of experience in the food and beverage industry. Can you tell me about your team?
Sure. Really by design. And prior to really creating the opportunity, we really wanted to surround True Drinks with people from the industry that had a lot of breadth of experience, not only creating products and marketing products, but across the entire value chain. We brought people from PepsiCo and ConAgra. I came from Nestle. In 15 years of being in the beverage industry, I've never seen a collection of people that have as much experience around creating products, certainly for children and in the health and wellness sector.
Lance, I do want to know about the financials behind the company. Can you tell me what your ticker symbol is and also the market cap?
Sure. The ticker symbol is TRUU. We're currently traded on the OTC bulletin board. We currently have a market cap around $30 million, and we're excited about being able to get behind the stock and start seeing some additional activity with the company as it grows and as our second quarter earnings come out.
And Lance, last but not least, before we wrap it up for today's interview, can you tell me about expansion plans and what markets you're in, as well as your sales and distribution?
It's great. We're really excited because the initial reaction from the retailer community has been so amazing that early on in the company's evolution, we started talking to other markets. I've had some experience, and our team's had experience developing brands outside of the United States. So we immediately went out to talk to some of our partners and have been able to establish a new business in Central and South America. We'll be in the third quarter doing business in Canada. And we're today negotiating to have the brand in several other major markets in Asia. So for us, it's not a need that's only happening in the U.S. The problem and the opportunity, finding good, healthy beverages in other parts of the world is very evident. And so we're excited to be able to bring all our products into these markets that are looking for the same trends that are happening here.
And before I let you go, Lance, what is the key ingredient that adds a flavor to your beverages? I understand it is no calorie, but what gives your drinks the flavor?
Well, you can have the healthiest beverage in the world, but if it doesn't taste good, it's hard to get consumers excited. So we've done an incredible job, and our marketing officer really started from the very base component of having purified water that then uses all natural ingredients in the flavoring. So if it's going to be grape, it's going to come from a Concord grape. If it's orange, it's going to come from a Valencia orange. We also use stevia, which is a plant-based sweetener, to give it a little bit of the sweet flavor that it comes in it. Again, it's all 0 calorie. It's enhanced with vitamin C, vitamin B3, B5, and B12. So it's not only hydrating, but it also gives you the essential vitamins you need, certainly for our consumers.
Okay, Lance, well, thank you so much for joining me here at the New York Stock Exchange, and good luck with all of your endeavors.
Appreciate it very much.